Hello, and welcome to my teaching session on health and exercise. I have three objectives for this session. Number one, I hope that you will leave today understanding the importance of eating a healthy diet. My second objective is to educate you on the importance of regular exercise. My third objective is to help you understand how to create a schedule and a routine for yourself that you can follow to help motivate yourself to reach your weight and health goals. First, my health diet topic, and I'm going to talk about food pyramid and the importance of taking in the right amount of foods and eating whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, milk, and yogurts, and meats, beans, and then lastly the oils, fats, and sweets. I'm going to talk about the major importance of balancing it to get your full nutrients that your body needs to stay healthy and maintain health. And I'm going to explain the food pyramid, which is a diagram in my PowerPoint that has the grains as the greatest amount that should be taken in a given day, and then vegetables and fruits and so forth, and it gives about the percentage that you should eat on a regular day. And this is going to be a good visual aid for my students to understand and remember what they should be eating on a regular basis. And my learning activity will be, I will split my students into groups of 5, and there will be one leader for each group with a pen and paper, and I will give each group 2.5 minutes to list 3 different food items for the 6 categories in the food pyramid, and the teams that can list 3 different food items for each category can win, but the team that lists the most has to be at least 18 total. The team that lists the most wins. This will be a fun educational way for the class, my target audience, to work together to realize all the different foods and what they might be eating, and maybe cause them to think about what might have come to their mind initially, and that might be an indicator of what they eat most often. I will definitely bring up those questions about what they eat and how much they eat of it, and they think they eat a healthy diet on a regular basis, because most students these days and people in general just don't eat healthy enough. So my first topic will definitely be emphasizing eating a healthy diet. My second objective is exercise, and I'm going to point out 3 different types of exercise. 1, stretching, and I will talk about the importance of stretching in improving your body's flexibility and range of motion, which helps if you're an athlete or if you're just trying to stay healthy and not injure yourself in your daily activities. Stretching also increases your body's circulation and blood flow, and helps you stay alert and active because you feel nice and awake. Second objective for exercise is walking, and walking is a great way to keep your body active. It's very simple. You can be done anywhere. Health experts recommend walking every day, at least 3 times a day. Is very beneficial. The longer and further you walk, the more benefits that you will see. And lastly, running is a great way to stay in shape, lose body weight, body fat and body fat and stay active. And if you're looking to lose weight, running is by far the best way to do that. And then I'm going to talk about the details of stretching and what should be done and how it should be done, and then also how ask the audience, do they think they stretch and walk enough or run enough? Try to create conversation with the class on how much activities they do in a given week, and try to really stimulate some thought and not just be talking about the topic in a lecture type format. So hopefully they will be able to engage in the conversation. And lastly, the schedule part of my presentation, the third objective. I think it's very important to plan a schedule and be able to stick to it. So it's very important that the schedule be important to you, and fitting your schedule. And it's important to write down when you're going to be exercising, what you will be doing, how long you'll be doing it, and how often, because it won't do any good to not to be making up at random your exercises, and you want to be consistent and vary what you are doing from a day to day. But it's very important to exercise every day, and I will encourage my class to, whether it be weightlifting, running, or walking or stretching, to do it. Do one of those things every day to stay active. It's very important to having a healthy lifestyle. And then in my second activity, I will hand all the students a sheet of paper, and all the students will create an exercise schedule based on their current day-to-day schedule. And I want them to include in their schedule what exercise they will be doing in the given week and how long they will be doing it. And hopefully we'll have lots of good conversation on different exercises that can be done, and the importance of creating this schedule to keep yourself motivated. And then I'm going to have a couple students show the class their schedule and help others get an idea of what their schedule can look like, because some people might be lost on what should be done. So it's important that everybody helps each other out in the class. And that's my last objective. And my first, to recap my objectives, they were to educate my class on a healthy diet, exercise, and creating a schedule. Without these three things, it's very hard to live a healthy life. And I will definitely be stressing the importance of all three of these items, because you cannot do one without the other. It's very important to be eating very healthy all the time, before and after exercising, because your body needs proteins and energy and nutrients to be able to work out. So you can't not eat and work out to try to lose weight. You can't just run and exercise hoping to burn calories when you're not actually intaking any. So it's very important that you are eating enough while you are exercising, and not overdoing your exercises, and also not overdoing how much you exercise, which is why we create this calendar and schedule. So I hope to educate my audience on these three objectives in my teaching session, and hopefully I will help make an impact on lives and be an encouragement for them and allow them to reach their health and educational goal. Again, thank you for being here. My name is Shepard, and thank you for attending my teaching session.